Mumbai celebrates 124th birth anniversary of father of the Indian Constitution, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. State also observes various activities on 124th Ambedkar Jayanti. Thank you, Venkat. Hi and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Shama Mishra. Now the news in detail. Today is the 124th birth anniversary of independent India's first law minister and the principal architect of the Constitution, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. Popularly known as Baba Saheb, he was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar inspired the modern Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination against Dalits, women and labour. Today, on his birth anniversary, Mumbai-located Vidhan Bhavan observed the celebration in the presence of many prominent personalities. Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Haribhau Bagde, paid floral tributes to Ambedkar's statue. Principal Secretary, Legislature Anant Kalse was also present at the occasion and paid tribute along with other employees. Similarly, Mantralaya also witnessed the celebration to mark the anniversary and paid homage to Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Now, large numbers of followers of Baba Saheb Ambedkar today reached Chaitya Bhumi to pay rich tribute to Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar on his 124th birth anniversary. Mumbai Mayor Snehal Ambekar, MP Rahul Shivale, RPI leader Ramdas Athawale and other political leaders were also present during this program. Organized by BMC, a news portal and journal was inaugurated jointly by these leaders. Addressing the people, RPI leader Ramdas Athawale called Shiv Sena's demand of stripping Muslims of voting right unconstitutional and appealed all parties to follow the path of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar.
जो संविधान बनाया है, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, दलित हो या ईसाई हो या कोई भी हो, भारत में रहने वाला जो सिटीजन है, नागरिक है, उनको वोटिंग का अधिकार है। और इसीलिए मुझे लगता है भाई कोई लोग अगर ये बोल रहे होंगे कि भाई मुसलमानों का वोटिंग का अधिकार छीन ले, तो ये बात कोई अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है, असंवैधानिक है।
Also, flowers were showered from the sky upon Chaitya Bhumi from helicopter and large number of followers chanted Jai Bhim. Now, the 124th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was also celebrated all over Maharashtra. Tributes were paid from several parts of the state such as Nagpur, Nashik, Gadchiroli, Pune, Dhule, Aurangabad, Satara, Washim, Ahmednagar, Yavatmal and Latur. Various other events across the state have been organized to mark the day. The traditional processions on the occasion were also carried out. Cake cutting ceremony was seen in the district of Nashik and Satara. Various rallies were also held by the followers of Baba Saheb.
छाती ठोक है सांगू जगाला असा विद्वान होणार नाही छाती ठोक है सांगू जगाला छाती ठोक है सांगू जगाला
Mumbai Doordarshan Kendra also celebrated the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. This year, Additional Director General West Zone Doordarshan Mumbai Mukesh Sharma along with Director News DDK Mumbai Sudarshan Pantore paid floral tributes to the portrait of Ambedkar in office premises. Other employees from all the departments of Doordarshan were also present. Meanwhile, Doordarshan Newsroom also observed the celebration by paying tributes to Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
और बाबा साहब के विचारों को अगर हम अपने साथ रखें और कर सकें, लोगों का सम्मान कर सकें, दूसरे की इज्जत कर सकें, वही बड़ी बात है। बाकी चीज़ें तो सब धन्यवाद एक बार फिर आप सब।
Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who is on a 4-day visit to participate in the Make in Maharashtra Investor Conference in Hanover in Germany, today visited the Volkswagen plant and museum. Fadnavis also met with the suppliers of Volkswagen. The company is going to expand and manufacture directly in Maharashtra. Meanwhile, Swedish defense and security company Saab has expressed interest in investing in aerospace defense in Maharashtra. That's it then in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. We'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Till then, it's back to Delhi studios. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.